Was good. I'm gonna get into some back testing on my model. Current model stats, as you see, 71% win rate, 1.4 R. Win rate is pretty high right now. I could expect this to drop to mid 60s, but we'll just see. And yeah, currently, okay, I left off here on Friday. So let's go to Monday, clear up everything here, and see what we got going on. Okay, what the hell? January 27th, 2025. So a huge sell-off. I don't even know if I'd want to trade this Monday, to be fair. But let me pull up my my Notion just so I can write down everything I'm taking for this. Okay. Got it. So no red folder on this day. Looking at a daily, completely sold off. We actually are probably gonna come take this low if I had to guess, and then continue lower. This was SMT'd at the high, so yeah. Either we're gonna see a continuation flush or we're gonna see a chop up and rebalance this range. Okay, swept that 4-hour gap. Nice. Okay, so equal highs up here. I could see a rebalance. I think it's going to depend on how we react from, is this a bullish gap? This is a bullish gap. Nice. How we react off this 1-hour gap. If we come and hit that. SMT at this high. Nice. Okay. No more equal highs here. Those got swept. CMEX shorts here wouldn't have been bad, especially with these lows, but it looks like we are pushing higher at the moment. I'm going to mark out this 4-hour gap right here. This seems to be where we want to go right now. So yeah, this is also London highs. Perhaps we can get like a 5-minute long, 5-minute pullback. Okay, so here's 10 a.m. 4-hour has opened up a new gap. 15-minute low there. 10 a.m. opens lower. Oof. Okay, we tapped the 15 on ES. This is a really bullish reaction here. I don't think I would want to take this though. I just want to see more get swept out. This probably works for a break even at least, but okay. Yeah, like just whenever you see this stop loss, it's a good reason to fade. So the reason I didn't take this, sure we have an SMT inside the 15, but then when you just look at liquidity on the 1 minute, there's a reason for all this to get ran, especially with how far we ran higher. So now that we have this low SMT, if we can take that, I'll take a long from here. I think that'd be a lot better. Okay, this is beautiful. Yeah, 3-minute highest time frame here. I would take this 3-minute SMT here. Break even is gonna be this high. And probably gonna hold for this next 4-hour. Yeah, I would hold for this premium 4-hour gap here, to be honest. I do think that's where we want to go. I could see continuations playing to there, so yeah. This will be the trade on this Monday. We did expand a lot, but keep in mind break even if ES takes this on break even, so. Beautiful. Break even here. Nice. Now, we are going to open up a 30-minute gap. I'm definitely curious to see how we react out of this high. I would like to see like a continuously displacing candles through it, but yeah, I'm going to hold for that 4 hour. Bang. Fucking banger. Beautiful. Let's write this down, what we got here, why I liked it. Yeah, this is really clean. Really nice trade on this 27th. Yeah, about 2R. Let me write this in the journal. Okay. So beautiful, beautiful play on this Monday. Now I would go to here on Tuesday. 10 a.m. consumer confidence. Some orange folder too, but so as I said yesterday, I said I expected us to either continue here and flush, or we'll come up here and chop around in this range, and that's exactly what we did. So caught the longs up towards that, and yeah. Now looking at price, we have swept this out. Hold on, give me 1 second. Hello?
Hi.
Hey.
You still wanted to go to the mall with me?
Yeah, can we go at like... Could you go at 2?
Yeah, that's even better, because I'm like 5-10 minutes from home, and then I wanted to shower and eat my food real quick, then I'll head over.
Alright, but would you wanna come just take the long way and pick me up on your way, or do you want me to just meet you over there?
No, I don't care to pick you up. Since you're gonna come with me, I can just come pick you up.
Alright, bet.
Because you're only like 5 minutes from the mall, right?
Yeah, I'm like right next to it, basically.
Yeah, what all do you need? I know I have a Champs gift card, so I want to see if I find anything in there, and then
I just have to get stuff for Mom.
Yeah, you wanted to go to Brighton, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can go there. What else was there? I feel like I had something else to do. I might have to stop at Dick's on the way home for Dad, but we can just go to those 2 places and see, and then...
Bet. Alright, well, I'll see you soon. Let me know when you're on the way.
Alright, bye.
See ya. My fault. I'm trying to do Christmas shopping. Okay. I actually think we have really clean bearish structure here. We pretty much did what I wanted to do, swept out the internal high inside the 4 hour. We have Asian session lows, and we're respecting this 1 hour gap. Yeah, I'm a fan of shorts here for sure, for sure. That's probably gonna get continuations off this little 15 since that hourly was already mitigated. Don't tell me there was a setup. Okay, there was nothing for me to get in. Thank God. So yeah, as I said, this is exactly what you want. This is really clean structure. Why is this clean structure? We deliver off the hourly. We come up, we get this move, we go down lower, and then we fake out orders, get a stop at open. Open is the Judas in this situation, and then we probably are just gonna dump straight to Asia. Yeah, there goes Asia. Nice. There might have been, yeah, nothing. So there's Asian lows. I think now I really want to base it off of the 30-minute here. I'm gonna base conditions off of this low, this gap right here. This will be a really good range condition, but I honestly think we just violate this. Okay, yeah, nice. Looks like we're just dumping through that. Nice. Now, next thing I'm realizing here is this low, really clean low. a lot of chop here. Like, this is not a level I would ever want to take longs from. So I want to take shorts from it. And I would like to probably target this sell side. I think that's our best bet right now. We are going to open up a 15-minute at 10, but we're currently inside of a 5-minute. Okay, interesting. Maybe we want to... Ooh, I'm not really sure right now. Oh, wow. This violated. Okay, so this violated. I think right now I would sit out, to be honest. This is a really clean sweep. Yeah, so I mean, looks like longs was the play here, I guess. We have now came up clean SMT here. Okay, mech here would be beautiful. Okay, it just wasn't given. So yeah, I guess we just wanted to be still bullish on the day. I guess we just wanted to take out the lows and go from there. But looking at the higher time frame, this would make sense now that we are actually rejecting that Asian low. It makes sense that we want to run premium. I mean, keep in mind this ES has really good delivery here for bullish, so not too sure what I want to see. I don't think this looks bad. Really clean candle through it. Your break even would have to be here. Time is all right. We got the 1045 PO3 open low, push through. I could definitely see this being a trade I'd take. Just targeting really here, to be honest. That's all I want. I don't love the bias here, to be honest, and I don't love having this unfilled 15 below us. So I think I'm gonna fade this. I'll tape read this. Beautiful. Oh wait, it's just gonna work. Never mind. So it would have been a break even, unless this was 1R. Okay, yeah. So break even here. And just chop the rest of the day. Nice. Let me write down this day. So a reason I didn't take that, just wasn't confident enough in structure. You look at the hourly here, you don't really have a clear draw. We swept out these highs twice, we swept out these lows. We probably want to run to 50%, but we're already at 50%, so there's really no telling what we want to do from here. Okay, so we did run up to that 4 hour. We're inside this gap now. I typically want to see this get hit when we're close to it. So yeah, it's probably gonna be the draw for the day for me. Let me get some coffee. Wait 1 second. Okay, beautiful. So SMT inside this 1 hour gap actually an FOMC day, so I'm gonna watch AM session. Maybe it moves clean, maybe it doesn't. And we have we're in a 4 hour. I'm gonna wait till 10 probably, unless we sweep that low out. Just because I want to see how the 4 hour. Okay, so now I don't have to wait till 10 because we hit the lower gap. But I honestly think from here, if we get a good candle, longs could be nice. Seeming to hesitate. Okay, really clean now. Give me a good close. Ooh, yeah. See, this is why you wait for the highest time frame. I mean, the 1 minute wasn't even valid, but yeah, just chopping through this. We do not want to run that. That's interesting. Looks like we're gonna wait for the 15 to open and then run the 15. Ooh, wait, was this? Did I just miss this? Oh fuck, I just missed a setup, I think. Yeah, this was clean. This was pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I don't think I would have took it just because I have VI actually, so let me stop being hindsight. Okay, now what have we done? Have we mitigated anything else that's significant? 1 hour PD raise, 30-minute PD raise. No, we hit this order block. We did hit that. We have a 15, 30-minute. This 4-minute inversion would be the play. I'll tape read this. Just because it's FOMC, I'm going to go to FOMC and take a trade probably. But yeah, I just wouldn't want to trade this late into AM session on a FOMC day. This chop is nice, but sometimes we just stall through. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, just way too choppy. See, this is just stuff you learn over time. This is actually a joke. Jesus. Clean V shape. I mean, would you have broke even there? Yeah, I would have had to break even there. So it would have been a break even regardless, but whatever. Let me not go to next day. Holy shit. All right, bet. So here's FOMC. Let's see what we got going on. So we technically did take that new week opening gap. We just violated that 4 hour on ES. So ES is going to be trending for these lows. I would also say NQ most likely since we've obviously correlated, but we have a 4 hour up in premium. I don't think that needs to get hit, to be honest. This isn't anything I'm missing, right? Yeah, really ugly PA right now. So there's data low. Don't like this chop at all. That's not something I would take. Nice. So here is your second part of news. We're in a 15-minute. See, now at this point in price, there's no reason to really want to take a short with all this liquidity above you. That's in my opinion, at least. I don't see. This isn't souped, right? Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a trade here. Yeah, like this isn't a bad move. It's just like, I don't know, bro. It's not a sweep. There's no sweep. Ooh, wait, was this good? This was low-key clean. Sweep of that low. Oh, never mind. We have 3 opening right here. Yeah, 3 is gonna do the work. Oh wow, this looks clean. Is this an hourly or a 4-hour something? Okay. We hit a 4-hour. Yeah, this is too 50-50 for me. We swept into a 4-hour. I don't wanna, like, this looks actually pretty good though for targets. I don't think that's bad. It's just you're targeting the 4-hour high. Like, that's a lot of liquidity, but we hit the 15. Honestly, bro, I'll try this. I will try this FOMC trade. It is late as hell in the session. I don't like that. I will say that, but I like the idea of the 3 p.m. open here, opening lower, no manipulation at 3, no wick. I want this to be the wick to at least run here. Probably break even at those equal highs. And yeah, I think it does make sense to get it one more move higher. But this is definitely, I'm not the most confident in this. I will say that just because it's 4-hour. If this 4-hour was up here and it looked like something like this, I would take this 10 out of 10 times. But I don't like how we already hit the 4-hour. So yeah, SMT at the lows, a bunch of stacked liquidity up here, clean 1 minute inversion. I'm gonna try this. Okay, where would I break even here? I'm gonna break even at these equal highs. Right here is gonna be my break even. Oh, brutal. Oh my god, that's brutal. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, I would never take the re-entry on FOMC just because I'd be one and done. It's really not my session, but I thought this was really clean. I did think this was nice. Fuck. Okay, what did we want to hit that I didn't see? Oh, wait a minute. Was it, did we edge that 5 minute when I took my play? Oh, never mind. Yeah, I don't know. I think this was a good play. I just got stop rated, to be honest, but let me journal this. Wednesday, FOMC, stop hunted. Yeah, that was low-key brutal stop hunt, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Whatever. Thursday we go. Okay, Thursday, 8:30 red folder. Okay. So no news wick to play off, actually. We are still trading higher, and it looks like we want to continue higher. This inversion failed. We could get really choppy from here, I will say that, but I'm gonna want to wait and see for sure. In my mind here, I think we just want to get continuation longs. This is a really strong wick reaction, so yeah. Yeah, me personally, I'm hoping for just longs to continue looking for the trend to that new day opening gap or new week opening gap. But there is a lot of liquidity. This is London highs also. Maybe a soup of this low and then a continuation would be really clean. Because I don't like... Oh no, we did sweep Asia. Okay. I'm gonna take this. I don't like how uncorrelated we are right now. I like this sweep, I do. But ES took this high, which is weird, in my opinion. Like I could see. Nah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take it off this sweep. I think this is a clean enough sweep. I don't know if these equal lows do matter. I don't think they do. I think this reaction is way too clean. And sure, we do have an SMT here. Is this any significant high? Nah, I think break even should be London highs. So yeah. I'm gonna take this as a Judas, targeting this high. Break even is gonna be here. Yeah, that's gonna be the trade idea. I like the Judas here. Okay, nice. Break even. Ooh, okay. We're here. Where's 1R? I'm gonna take my 1R here if I can get it. Just because I would rather just get out when I can, take my profits with this SMT. We could very well just continue trending higher, but I don't really love the range. So I'm just gonna take 1R. Yeah, okay, nice. We'll see if it continues higher. Yeah, so obviously London highs was the max we wanted to run. Let me write this. Turtle soup. SMT. Okay, really clean. Sweep here. Okay, this is the trade idea on this day. I like the Judas a lot. So yeah, really clean. Plus 1R on this. Thursday the 30th. We had a SMT at my break-even level, but overall was way bullish past that spot. Okay, so yeah. Overall, pretty clean setup. What really gave me conviction on this was the fact that when I look out on the higher time frame here, my break-even level is in a spot where I would want us to reverse from. I would want to see us reverse from this or this new week opening gap. So that is why I still took it, even though ES was at my break-even. That's really just like conviction, I guess. And these equal lows, yeah, I didn't love these, I will be honest. But this was a pretty clean inversion, strong 30-point candle, strong manipulation. I think this was pretty clear. So yeah, just go to the next day here. We're on Friday the 31st now, last day of January. So let's see what we got going on here. Last day of January. CPI day. Okay. Let's see what we want to get. I don't like how we've moved this week. Monday made the wick and it didn't manipulate into anything. And we finally came up and we took that high. And I literally called this actually. I said we could come up and just start chopping around, which is exactly what we're doing. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that. But conditions, I mean, overall January's conditions have been good. We've been trading really well. So yeah. We have this 4-hour. First thing I'm noticing on the higher time frame is that we have this 4-hour fair value gap here to deliver us bullish if we want to continue. And this is London, maybe not London, it's resting here. So London lows could be a clear spot to manipulate towards. It did hit a 30-minute, but we're so close to it right now. Probably just gonna run and take that. So yep, let's mark out all these sessions. Okay. Now, no 8:30 manipulation for data, but we'll see what we do at open. Okay, wow. London does not get hit. Okay, interesting. Now, depending on how we move, we might very well just want to push that high. Okay, I'd have to wait for the 4-minute, which sucks. Okay, no trade off the 4-minute. SMT put in here. I don't like where we're trading right now at all. Like, this looks really choppy. I want to see London lows get took, but it looks like we're just pushing. So yeah, we're just gonna push higher here. Okay, beautiful. So now at this point, we are gonna open that up. Clear. Ooh, are we gonna go up again? Yeah, I don't like that. So I like what we hit. I like the 4-hour that we hit. But overall, I don't think I would want to trade this. This, I could see this getting hit. If we can get a clear trade to the 15-minute, I will try to get in that. For shorts, I think we're definitely due for a pullback of some sort. So, yeah. We'll see what we get here. Maybe we can get a resweep and then shorts. That would SMT. Okay, is this gonna be it? Yeah, nothing here for me. This 5-minute version would have been nice. You could have took it like this, got in here, took it to the 15-minute for about a 1.3 R, but nothing on Friday, so just write that down. All right, beautiful. Okay, now let's see how we've done on January. Let's see how much we made January. Sitting at a 70% win rate. Beautiful, beautiful. Up 5% on a 200K account. So made 11K this month. Nice. Really clean month, actually. Yeah, that was my best month yet. So pretty nice. I can't complain on that. Took 3 losses and 7 wins, so right at a 70% win rate. And yeah, that's pretty solid. Pretty solid. I want to see my other January months because I just want to see what they look like in comparison. But anyways, I'll get this posted. 2 wins, 1 loss. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Peace.